Good morning, everybody. Beautiful Monday morning today. Snow on the ground, but the sun is shining. And as far as the stock market goes, okay, not that beautiful of a morning. Shiba Inu sitting at 3,900 points per coin right now. AMC sitting down 3.5% at 36.30. Guys, I hate to admit it, but we may have broken out to the downside of that daily wedge on AMC. Let's actually go back out here to the daily graph and check out where we're at. We tried to make it back in. Pre-market. We were sitting right here around the bottom of the wedge pre-market. And of course, we open up, try to test it, and then come all the way back down to where we're at right now at 36.27. Not looking particularly good. But at least if you put a horizontal line of resistance on here, we are sitting at a decent level of, or not resistance, but support. We are sitting at a decent level of support right here, touching it several times back in the beginning to mid-October, touching it again here, and now we're there again. So we're going to see what happens there. But I would have much rather have been inside the wedge today. So nice look at that, bright and early in the morning. But who do we have in the chat so far? 23 of us. I love it. Frank first as always. Nick F, man. How you doing? Pugnacious, Dallas, Ugan, and Toad, Leah, Danelle, Nick Nasty, Irish, Chris, Stacksape Nation, Lewis, Kevin, and SPFKAH is in here as well. Wrestler, what's going on, man? Charlie and Paradroids. How's everybody doing this morning? Clay, we never left the fib on my chart. I'll show my point of view Discord name. There you go. Chris, yeah, if you guys want to go join Chris's Discord there, make sure to check that out. Good evening. Good morning to you, Hans. How you doing, Mad Medic? My poor PL is terrible. Hodl. Yes, guys, everything has been down recently. Everything has been in the red. It is just, I don't know. I noticed over the weekend some of the videos and some of the comments, everything, and then even Friday too. Everything was just a little bit subdued, and I think people are kind of getting into that holiday mentality, that just lay back, relax a little bit, and kind of take some time off mentality, and that may be what we're seeing here and why we got a lot of the red. You know, on top of some of the other news that we got going on out in the real world, it may have to do with the fact that we've got less people out there investing and trading at the moment, simply because of the holidays that are around. A wrestler, a good day to be a vampire, man. Yes, because we got blood all over. Come on, AMC. Come on, Johnstontown. Let's get it. Clay Dino, Mr. Simonio. How you doing, man? It's great. I'm loving the lows. Well, Paradroids, man. If you're buying, it's definitely great for you. Let's see here. Buying speaks, everything goes red. Well, everything is red. That's a fact. What's good, Clay, bro? Hope everyone's Thanksgiving weekend was awesome and full of blessings. Lewis, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Yes, the Thanksgiving weekend was good. Actually, it was pretty chill over the weekend. Black Friday was good. Got everything that I need for my new computer, and it should be coming in, I think, December 4th is when they said everything is going to be delivered. So hopefully I'm able to set that up next weekend and we'll be good to go. Black Friday deals, thank you very much. I appreciate the Black Friday deals all across the board. Spent my dip buy money last Tuesday. Devil's Advocate. Gotta go find more money somehow, man. Somehow people always seem to come up with some money to buy the dips, and I don't know how they do it. I do not have any buying power in my portfolio right now. I don't know how some people come up with just unlimited dip buying opportunities. What's up, Clay, bro? Elias, how you doing? Still bullish on Prague? Yeah, Elias, so I'm still bullish on Prague. We are in a decent downtrend right now, down another 8% on the day. If we pull that out, I know we got to have some support around that $3 line, but let's see where Prague fits on the daily. Yeah, so look, we're pulling back down to around where we were hitting all of these higher lows on that daily trend line. So this could actually prove to be a very good level of support right in here. If we test this area, so if you look at all of these wicks, boom, 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 boom. If we just move this horizontal line to where all those wicks were going, we're right in that area right now. So this is the ascending trend line that we had on there, and then these are the bottom of the wicks. So we would expect Prague to bounce off this level of support right here. Hopefully it does. If not, the next level of support is going to be down here in this area right here. This is the area that we touched on Prague during during its earnings report when it dropped down to about 280. So that's another level you want to keep an eye on if Prog decides to decline even more than it currently has. Let's see here. Claytinho, where's my fake wrench show? Well, Mr. Simon, you get a very high likelihood, high probability of winning a wrench today because there's only 48 people in here. However, because it's going to be impossible to get above 100 likes with 48 people in here. So double click that like button. No, don't double click it because that means it doesn't click. This all went downhill once Chipro stopped coming inside to eat Mad Medic. I noticed the correlation, man. I noticed the correlation, and I do agree. We need Chipro. We need Chipro to come back. Baby, come back. Like, where is Chipro? It's got to be cold outside. It's freezing. Let's fix this prog chart here, see what we got going on. Okay, good deal. We gotta move that up a little bit because that's lower. GameStop in the green. Wow, congratulations, GameStop, after just meticulous. You guys can't see this because I'm probably in your way, but that's some serious barcoding on GameStop there. But let's see what we got, man. Bring GameStop back into view. Still up green on the day. All right. And then Shiba Inu, we'll pull it down a little bit. Kind of zoom in, make sure it looks good. Get a nice little bounce there over the last 10 minutes in Shiba Inu. I like it. Vin Nugent, yes. Shiba is bouncing nicely. How was your weekend, Clay? Nick F. My weekend was excellent, man. Nice picture there, Nick F. I like it. Weekend was very chill, dude. Weekend was very chill. Didn't do really anything. Rented a couple red boxes and just enjoyed the weekend. No, next level of support, please pause it right there, Leah. Yes, that's what I would like to do. Pause it right there. No more declines. Just go up. We had a lot of red over the last week, man. It's making a lot of people tired and a lot of people getting upset with all the red that's out there. I'm one of them. Nobody wants to see any more declines. Nobody. And we do have some declines in prog right now, so hopefully you hold up there and we turn this stuff around. Look at 100 likes with 40 people. Kind of impossible. I know, man. I know. That's kind of depressing, actually. Good morning, fam. No notification. Marine Corps Brat. I love how no notification. Let's see if I can. Let's just see if I can tweet this out then. I don't know why it's not giving me any notifications. I don't like that, but whatever. We'll make do. We'll see if we can share the live stream. Just copy it. Okay. Twitter. Come hang out with us. Thanks. Giving is over. Alright, tweet that out. Come hang out with us. Thanksgiving is over, guys. Stop acting like you can just take the holiday and continue on. How's the new computer? Nick F. New computer should be good, man. So all of it is set to be delivered by December 4th. So I'm pretty sure that's Saturday. I'm pretty sure it's Saturday, but it's dude, the new computer's going to be sweet, man. New computer's going to be very nice. I just don't know if I'm going to set it up. I don't know if I'm going to set it up right here, if I'm just going to put it in the bedroom upstairs. But, dude, new computer's going to be very nice. Cyber Monday sales on. Yes, Pringleton, go grab them, man. There's no way my phone made any noise. There's no way it made any noise. No, that was 11:28. I got that text. The heck, man. Alright, yeah. It's weird. Weird, but we're going back now. Okay. Boom. Phone's where it needs to go. What do we got? On back. Could buy new equipment? Yes, Mr. Simon. I did get new equipment, man. Got a Ryzen 7 CPU. Got 2 Samsung monitors. Got 32 gigs of RAM. Terabyte solid state drive. An MSI motherboard. Sweet case, actually. Sweet case to put it all in. And new microphone. New microphone as well. I'm trying to think if I got anything else. I don't think I got anything else. I don't think. What's up, Trapper? What, AMC Trapper? Good morning to you, man. How are you? Kraken tweeted 10 minutes ago. They say SHIB going live tomorrow. Pete, very interesting. Did Kraken tweet that? I do not know. If they did, how do we know they're not lying to us, man? How do we know they're not lying straight to our faces again? I want to pull this up because I don't want to be lied to. Oh, they did tweet that 10 minutes ago. Shiba deposits begin now. Trading is live November 30th. Very interesting, guys. Took them a long time to get that ready to go. So you can deposit your Shiba on Kraken right now if you would like, and you can trade it tomorrow. Hey, thank you very much for bringing that to our attention. Who was that? Jim. No, it wasn't Jim. Who was that? Where's the message? Was it Jim that said that? Dude, now I don't even see where that message was. Anyway, whoever said that, thank you for bringing that up. And did I get a microphone? Yes, I did get a microphone. I did not. I have a desk upstairs, and I do have a non-computer desk right here. So I can use them depending on where I want to eventually set this stuff up. But yeah, I did get a microphone, got all that stuff ready to go. And it's supposed to be shipped it's supposed to arrive December 4th. It was me. Pete! It was me. Pete! Was it Pete, really? Did Pete say it? Pete, Kraken tweet. Pete did say it, Pete, man. Thank you very much. Message deleted. No, the message wasn't deleted. I just didn't see. I don't know why I missed that. Pete said that. D-Step. Yes, Pete did say it. Thank you very much. And Pete was correct. They did tweet that exactly 10 minutes ago. And hopefully they're going to be good to go. Well, now we know what the video is going to be this afternoon, don't we? Thanks, Pete, for the Kraken news. Yes, Pringleton. Thank you, Pete, for the Kraken news. Question for you. Is there a benefit to having a Coinbase wallet? Anthony, so, I mean, there's benefits to having all types of wallets. One of the Coinbase benefits would be that exchange is insured against hacks and so on. So if you were afraid an exchange was going to get hacked, you could use Coinbase because they do have insurance. Coinbase is the most used exchange with over 65 million members on the exchange. Coinbase does that free crypto. If you watch their videos or their educational videos, you can get free crypto on Coinbase by doing that. And I don't know. I think those are major benefits of using Coinbase. Hello, bro. Damian Ajay Kumar. How you doing? Good morning to you, or good evening, depending on when you're at. Pete coming in hot with the news. Pete was refreshing the Kraken news feed all morning long. Pete was refreshing the Kraken news feed for the last month, waiting for them to talk about Shiba Inu again. And they did, and Pete was on it, man. I love it, dude. Morning, all. How much do you think my Spidey NFT will be worth? Lex, my dad called me up this morning and said that people were trying to sell them for $25,000. Okay, I don't know if it's going to be worth $25,000, but there were some crazy people out there trying to get 25 grand for their Spider-Man NFTs, dude. What's up, fam? Busy day, but I'm here. DD214, I love it, man. You are one of the few that made it. Thank you very much. I got into Gala, so far so good. Any crypto associated with gaming will be good. Your thoughts, Lewis? I don't know if any crypto associated with gaming is going to be good, but I think that the metaverse that's going to be going on out there, and really in the infant stages right now, I think that as that develops and the coins that are developing along with it will see price increases. So I don't know if it's going to be every single coin associated with gaming, but I think anything associated with the metaverse that makes a name for itself there will do pretty well. 4x4 Azar, let's go Shiba, let's get it. What are your thoughts on the red day after such good news on the weekend for AMC? Pringleton, you know what, man? And this may be speculation too. I don't know why AMC's dropping. I think there's a lot of crap going on in the news lately about some stuff that could have some people worried about potential closures of, I gotta fix that socket there, of closures of things like movie theaters. So if that's the reason that we're seeing some declines in AMC and so on, I think those shall pass. As long as, we don't get crazy. Again, I think it'll be fine. Hello, Nini. Good morning, Nini Waka. How you doing? Kraken is listing Shiba Black. Yes, Kraken is listing Shiba. They said that it's going to... Kraken said they were listing Shiba tomorrow. And they said again that they will be listing Shiba tomorrow. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, Kraken. It's always tomorrow with Kraken, isn't it? Frank, I never get your notifications. Psh. Why not? I don't get Frank's notifications either, though, for some reason. To my understanding, exchanges late to list Shiba like to do this at the end of the month toward the end of business day to help avoid crashes and bring in revenue for the following month. Lex, definitely possible, man, but I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't even know if Kraken's gonna list Shiba tomorrow because they told us before that they would list it tomorrow. I don't know why notifications don't always go out. Frank, I will also tell you that I don't know why notifications don't always go out. It's just what it is, dude. Kraken, the late one. Yes, Kraken is late on this. What's up with Robinhood? Nobody knows. Clay, when Moon? Soon Moon, wrestler. Always soon Moon, man. It's always soon Moon. Gala will see a big uptick. Jim, I hope so. I don't own any Gala, but I hope it does go up. Why is AMC down? Daniel, I don't know why AMC is down, but if I had to guess, I would think it's in some part related to all of this stuff that could potentially be going on in South Africa right now. Let me fix this. My surge protector is being held up by some cords, and I don't want it to be held up by cords. I want it to sit here. 2 seconds. Okay. That's better. Much better. Theory. Hedge funds know the squeeze is inevitable. They are just shaking off who they can to try and buy time now. They need multiple MOS at the same time, or people will ride from one to the other, and that kills them. Oh, dude, that would kill them. That's fact right there. I don't know if that's why they're doing it or not, but that's fact, dude. I mean, imagine if AMC squeezed and we all made $1 million, and then GameStop squeezed, and we all 100x that, and we all made $100 million, and then just all of these things started to squeeze, not at the same time, but we all 10x, 100x on every single one of them. Yeah, they would be in a lot of trouble. Proggy's on the SSR. Shoots confetti poppers, and now we moon tomorrow. Everyone knows SSRs are key to success. Yes, man. Yes. Seemingly everybody on YouTube knows the short sale rule is our key to success. Every time a stock goes down 10%, it moons the next day. But a lot of people like to be hopeful with that. Let's see. Cisbro filed bankruptcy after Black Friday. Exploitation. She does not want to get started. Oh, no! Dude, I hope Cisbro never files bankruptcy. I am thinking Lou's theory is right. This AMC is so manipulated that makes me think Lou is right. Good news yesterday in price drops. Even AMC website was crashing because of high traffic. Yeah, man. But we know, okay, that the... well, this is... technically we don't know. But I would guess that the NFTs would drive sales. And increasing sales just increases revenue. It doesn't necessarily increase the share price of AMC because we are so far detached from the underlying fundamentals already that an increase in revenue doesn't necessarily drive the price higher. So knowing that, I think the majority of investors, and this is just me personally, okay? I don't want to like have a discussion about this because I don't think it needs to be done. But I think people are already starting to get a little bit worried because of all the news that is starting to pop up around this Omicron thing in South Africa, and people are potentially selling off because of it. Gonna watch how it plays out and move forward from there. That's my belief on why we're seeing a lot of red in the market, especially with things like AMC, which we know how hard it got hit. In beginning of 2020. So that's me. That's what I think. And if that kind of blows over, then yes, I think we may see a delayed reaction in the fact that Adam Aaron is doing everything that we've discussed, man. We've got cryptos. They're accepting cryptos. They're talking about making their own crypto. They've got NFTs. They've got almost like everything, partnerships with GameStop. They're literally doing everything we've discussed. So it is incredible to see that, and I really don't think that every share you go out and buy right now is a fake share. Clay, how do you know if you got an NFT? I got 2 tickets. Victor, I'm going to be honest. I don't know how you know if you got the NFT. I don't know how you accept the NFT, and so on. I know you had to be a part of that Investor Connect, which I imagine you are, right? I imagine you are. Or A-List, or there was one other program that you could be a part of to get these AMC NFTs for the Spider-Man. But I do not know how they're going to be delivered. I do not know what sort of a wallet you're going to need in order to get them. I do not know any of that stuff. Not gonna lie, I'm only here today for Cyber Monday merch giveaway. Diffy dog. Now you gotta wait for that one, man. There's no such thing as a Cyber Monday merch giveaway. The giveaway started in December. The Viper Pit. Today's midday stream will go over possible movement to the moon. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Very nice. Frank Wrestler Who. Oh, I thought you were saying Wrestler Who. You remind me of Ryan Sheckler's mom, Gretchen. Dude, Ryan Sheckler. Wasn't that dude back in like 2007, 2008 or something? That little skateboard kid? Is that who we're talking about right now? Oh my goodness. Kraken finally listed Shiba. Who needs? Yeah, so Kraken, they say it's available for deposits right now. And then live trading should be available tomorrow. I remember when they told us that things were going to be available with Shiba Inu Coin tomorrow. And that was like 6 months ago. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But yes, supposedly we do have Shiba Inu Coin listings on Kraken now. Frank, I'll listen while I'm on the treadmill. Very nice, Danelle. Danelle, thanks. I am, and I did not see that I got it. No mention of an NFT. I might have missed something on that one. I thought they were letting you know if you got the NFT by December 1st. Stubbs was the name. Okay, yeah, Pringleton, that could be it, man. Unpopular opinion, using NFTs to shine a light on AMC stock and all the fake shares is a double-edged sword, and with so many people buying hard into the conspiracy, it could cause a sell-off after. Dude, yes, that's not even an unpopular opinion. That's popular with me. So, I want, and here, we'll do a poll. We'll do a poll, because I want to know what your guys' answers to on this, and I love doing polls, so let's just do a poll. We can keep it anonymous. Alright, create a poll. Excellent. Okay. If AMC Okay. Let's see. Hopefully I worded that decently. But, just a little context then, with that poll being down there, if it showed up yet. I don't even know if it showed up. In that question is, if they did do some sort of an NFT, some sort of an investigation or whatever, and they found out that there are 0 fake shares, every single share is legitimate. Okay, are you still holding for the short squeeze, or do you do you think the short squeeze in this MOAS relies on naked shorts? That's kind of the question I want to see. If you think that the MOAS relies heavily or fully on the existence of naked shorts, you would answer no to that question. You will not be holding it because you don't think it's going to MOAS. If you don't think that we need the naked shares and naked shorts, would you be willing to sell and kind of get out? So that's because I don't care at all about naked shares. I've never been a proponent of naked shares. Can I vote? Oh, nope, can't vote. Why can't I vote, dude? I can't even vote on my own thing. Can I vote here? I can't even vote there. Dude, how can I not vote? It's messed up, man. It's messed up. Dang, it's also messed up that 34% of you, more than 1/3 of you, think that AMC relies on naked shorts. Very interesting. Good. Have you looked into the crypto Hex? No, Davis, I have not. But, Davis, all crypto is inherently dangerous, is inherently risky. You need to make sure that you do your research before buying a crypto. But no, I've not looked into Hex. What's going on with Hex right now? That's not helium, right? That's a different one. I don't know the symbol for helium, if that's the one you're talking about. But, is that a different one or no? Davis, let me know if that's a different one, because it doesn't seem like that's going to be the right one. Fact, even in an anonymous blind test, people often lie answering questions because they feel they should answer a specific way and can't admit to themselves. Dude. Interesting. If that's the case, and they feel that they should answer yes, then we could actually have more no's than we received in that vote there. So from Denver, yo, Elizabeth, good morning. Not only will I get out, I will sell all my shares, buy back in, and borrow shares to sell TF out of some more. Wrestler really believes that there are some naked shares out there. Very interesting. He is fully reliant on naked shares existing for the short squeeze. Hiyo Sacred something? Sup Clayton Bronson, how are you? Kraken listed Shiba. Yes, Kraken has their deposits available. It's not available for trading yet. They're saying it's gonna be available for trading next week. So, or not next week, tomorrow. Tomorrow, not next week. Why did I say next week? The 30th. November 30th is when it's available for trade. Replace Hex with an S. It sounds like something I'm interested in. Hes? He's? You're interested in he's? Diffy dog, that's weird. Helium is HNT. Brian, thank you. Brian, thank you very much. What is Hex then? I don't know what Hex is. What are the fundamentals? What is going on here? First retweet, Claybro. Thank you very much, Frank. Good evening, XX. Sarah Destekroy, how are you? Yeah, I'd say it's much closer to 50-50, especially once the people who admitted no sell and price drops, you put them together and it'll cause some serious fear like we haven't even battled yet. Oh my gosh. Dude, I would kind of agree with you. I would kind of agree with you on that. I don't want to agree with you on it, but I do agree with you. There's a lot of people who would get nervous about something like that, and if they do some sort of investigation, I would not be surprised if they did not find any ludicrous amount of naked shares, especially in excess of the FTDs that existed. But I believe a lot of people will be upset. Brah! Dude. We're bras, man. Bras. I thought we were bros, but we're bras. Brah! Hex went up 10,000x or 1,000,000% in less than 2 years. And it's like 8th dip, but they happen in Hex. Hex is the most gate-kept crypto. Davis! How do I get some of this Hex, dude? How do I get some of this Hex? Tell me how to get it. I need to buy some. Where do you buy Hex? Can you get it on like an exchange? Do I have to get it on Pancake Swap, or what's the deal? Yo, the new mic needs calibrated. Crackling like a vinyl record. Divvy Dog, this is not the new mic, man. None of that stuff comes in until December 4th. Why did Jack Dorsey step down from Twitter? I have no idea. Elizabeth, maybe he was overwhelmed and he needed to take some mental health days. Kraken doing Shiba now? Bronson. So Kraken has said that they are listing Shiba, and it's available for deposit right now. So you can deposit your Shiba on the Kraken exchange, but it will not be available to trade until tomorrow. All right, so this poll is done. 70-30 is what we got right now. 70-30, very nice. All right, we're just gonna end it. Load that. No, end the poll, man. All right, now it's end. Good day, Clay, bro. Ryobi tools are chat. Chaka, Did you know that I had Ryobi tools for some reason, or did you just like start saying that in here and then I told you I have Ryobi tools, and then you gotta remind me every day that they're trash? What is the what was the thought process behind that one? Because yeah, man, almost all of my tools are Ryobi. Oh, just like you, Devil's Advocate. Oh my gosh, can Shiba be pulling a rug? Lex, I don't think so, man. I don't think with the amount of work that is seemingly being put into Shiba that it's a rug pull opportunity. I really don't. Man, we ended 64-35% on those 109 votes. You guys are heavily relying on short shares to drive the MOAS. Quick thoughts on side of Flow. Simon, that we should get a side of Flow, dude. A Simon Flow is what we should really have. Now that's something I'd be interested in. Jack Dorsey stepped down because his first name was not Latissimus. Elizabeth, what can I say? I eat what? And I eat out and there you go. There you go. Devil's Advocate. I don't know what's happening here, but I like the sound of it. Texas is where it's at. You guys need to move to Texas. Wow. Shiba back up above 4,000 points per coin. Looking very nice. AMC bouncing back a little bit. 36.50 right now. Prague down over 10% at the moment, really having a hard day. And Farmy sitting at 26 cents flat. Not good for Farmy to be sitting at 26 cents flat. Hopefully it gets a little bounce there. In the NASDAQ, guys, look, everything is in the red, and then the NASDAQ is almost 2% green. Yeah, okay. Okay. Everything's in the red, 5-10%, and NASDAQ's 2% in the green somehow. If Jack gets replaced by John, I'm shorting Twitter. Devil's Advocate, I will also short Twitter if Jack gets replaced by... If anybody gets replaced by John, I will short that company. Hey, bro, are you in NFTs too? Shane, I do not have any NFTs. Please keep comments respectful. Don't spam the chat and smash the like button. Yes, Frank. Ilias, yes, Kraken has announced that they will be listing... Well, it's already listed for deposit. But they will be allowing trade on Shiba Inu Coin tomorrow. Now, they told us tomorrow before, so we'll have to see how it goes. Kraken just listed. Yes, Joe. Hi, Clay, bro. I am actually in school right now, but tomorrow I'm going to Disneyland now. That's what I'm talking about, gaming with Doge. Metaverse is driving the NASDAQ. Could be grinning. Could be. I don't know why Metaverse would be driving the NASDAQ that much higher, but we'll find out. Hey, bro, can I have a perma wrench? Pretty please with sugar, chocolate, and a cherry on top. Dang it, man. Why does Marine Corps Brad have to ask so nice and so cute? Marine Corps Brad, yes, maybe. Maybe you can have one. Maybe. Clay, I gotta know. Subway or Smoothie King for lunch? Don't think, just answer. Subway. See, dude, Smoothie King, I don't think you're going to be able to get filled up like you would at Subway. And I am slightly hungry right now. So, nah, I'm not saying Smoothie King, dude. I'm saying Subway. Because mainly because I'm hungry. If I wasn't hungry, I probably would have said Smoothie King, but I am hungry, so I'm gonna have to go Subway. Quick, can you range Marine Corps Brat already? Lex, maybe. I'll give you a maybe too. New, but here from Denver. Yo, Sacred, glad to have you in here, man. Anybody else new in the chat today? Let me know if you are. Butters will have comments removed. Yeah, man, don't get any comments removed now, guys. Don't do that. Metaverse needs infrastructure, my guess. I think the Metaverse needs a lot, guys. I think the Metaverse needs a lot before it's like something usable and that people want. Mergin is new. Nick F is new. Nicholas F, you are not new. Mergin, new. Gene, with the fox. Okay, with the fox, I like it. Everyone, ahoo, from Marine Corps Brett. Tough times for her, Marine Corps Brett. This one's for you. Ahoo, ahoo. Yes, Marine Corps Brad. Davis! Oh my goodness, Davis. Thank you very much for the super chat. Davis says, look up Richard Hart, the creator of Hex. He is called a scammer, but if you can find the source of the scam, I will personally send you 10,000 Hex for free. Good for me. It's all gatekeeping crap talk with zero evidence of a scam. Davis. Very interesting. This is, what I don't even know what Hex is trading at right now. Let's see what Hex is trading at, because my boy Davis has 10,000 Hex he's ready to give me. If I can find the source of this scam here. Davis, you can probably tell me faster than I can look it up. What's Hex trading at? I gotta know. I gotta know. My sock's got a hole in it, guys. Oh boy. I can't wait to get my computer. I can't wait to get it going. Took that long for what I typed to come up. Richard Hart's coming out with a new offering called PulseChain. Don't miss out on the next 10,000x moon run. Oh my gosh. Davis, let's get it, dude. Let's get it. How do we get PulseChain, man? How do we get PulseChain? Because look, man, if I don't even care, as long as I can get in and get back out before the dude scams me, we're gonna be good. So how do I get PulseChain? If I can just keep my pulse on the PulseChain, we'll like it. Got the religious socks on it. Yeah, man, where are my holy socks right now? Devil's Advocate. I don't understand. Like every single, I go through so many socks, it's ridiculous. I don't know if it's the way I walk or what, but it's bad news, man. Marine Corps brat is the drill sergeant of mods. Yes, that's who she is and who she wants to be. Look on Coin Market Crap. Look on Coin Market Crap, what it's trading at. Yeah, so let's see. I typed it in. Let's see here. Alright, Coin Market Crap. 16 cents. Alright, guys. 16 cents. Hex is trading at 16 cents right now. Very interesting. 1641. Let's look at this all-time high. Where we at here? My goodness, this computer's slow. Oh boy. Yeah, so 2020, this bad boy had 3 zeros. Wow. For a brief period of time, at the end of 2019, it had 4 zeros. Wow. It went up to 50 cents. Holy crap. Guys, that would be like Shiba Inu coin right now going to 50 cents. So from 2019 to right now, it went from 4 zeros all the way up to 50 cents. Since I offer the 10,000 Hex, you should start promoting a real crypto called Hex. Hex is legit. Shiba is sketch to cover. You look into Richard Hart. I will look into Richard Hart. But hey, man, I'm still going to cover Shiba because I like Shiba. Hex does sound like something I'm interested in. PulseChain, though. You got to tell me about this PulseChain, man. I got to get in early. I got to get in early and get the money. You heard Marine Corps Brad. Hit the like button. JB, man. Thank you very much for the members chat. Really appreciate that. And we got Davis really coming in hot with the Hex today. I love it, dude. Hex, yeah, I had 4 zeros and went all the way up to 50 cents a coin. So that is pretty cool there. If you guys were wondering, go check out Hex. We need Caesar to get into AMC crew back together. Where's Caesar? Caesar, come back to us. Moas is being held by government. They are brainstorming how to take our future money away. Screenshot this. They will come up with a bunch of laws and regulations. They will take our profits away. Dude, they probably are trying to think of that right now. I'll get on board with you on that one, man. They probably are trying to do that. It's the most gate-kept legit crypto. Trust me, get that never work again money. I want to get that never work again money. I want to do PulseChain, man. How do I get some PulseChain for the 2022 portfolio? Shiba listed on Kraken KDS Jimenez. Very nice, man. Yes, Shiba has been listed with the deposit wallets on Kraken. But it will be live for trading tomorrow. Looking for 100 subscribers on my channel. Add a wrench. Stop by and hit the red subscribe button. It's totally free. Shiba listed on Kraken. Breaking news. Yes, man. Where's Stacks? Stacks was here earlier. I don't know if Stacks is still in here or not, but Stacks was here earlier. Let's see if I can pull up the Kraken Exchange website. This got to stop. Every time I open a new tab, I get that crap. Let's see here. Kraken. Let's see if I can sign into Kraken. Let's go, Shiba family. Love all. Yes, Craven. Yes, Craven something. Nigga, great looking photo you got there. Yes, it is. Guys, get subscribed to Frank's channel. Usually live after here with Clay. Very nice. Elizabeth C. You on Twitter? Is Elizabeth on Twitter? Probably. Elizabeth is everywhere. Shiba going on a nice little run now, guys. Going all the way back up to 4,100 points per coin. Up 6% on the day right now. Looking beautiful. Farming down to 25.79. AMC down to 36.43. GameStop sitting at 204.58. MMAT sitting at 378. CEI a $1.28. Fun 313, Tesla 1133, Doge 2152, Prague 330, and AGC, whatever the heck that is, 1294. No, I do not like Twitter. Elizabeth is not on Twitter because she doesn't like it. Moaz delayed due to politicians brainstorming ideas to take our profits away. You know, new laws and regulations. Screenshot this. Screenshot it right now. SHIB stepping up. SHIB is going on a nice little run, guys. Nice little run. It's on fire. Stop referring to me as Twitter. Yes. I love it. I love it. She said she doesn't like it, but she's still on it. Let's hope Shiba goes parabolic again. I need some tendies. Abstracticus. Me too, man. Me too. We all need some tendies. 4160 still running. I love it. Shiba with the gains, guys. Very good, Shiba. I like it right now. Oh, man. What do we got here? Follow me on Twitter. Leah Stockpool. Very good. Yes, sir. Saying something to Wrestler. Missed what they said. Everybody buy Shiba now. Yeah, you could buy Shiba right now. Get it on a little run. Optimus Prime. Is that you? Stacks Ape Nation. Dude, am I really, is the audio that bad? Is the audio that bad that it's like making me sound like a transformer? Is that break we've been looking for? Angus, so it very well could be, man. If we pull out to the 4-hour graph, let's see what it looks like on the 4-hour chart. Seems like all crypto might be going on a decent little run right now. Shiba up 7%. So we do have a nice little breakout from 3,900 to 4,200 points per coin right now. This could prove to be a little level of resistance here. But guys, if we break out of this, yeah, we might be going on a good little run. We might retest 4,700 and try to break out to the upside now. This is perhaps the more interesting part, okay? All of these lower highs that we've been hitting over the last month, we may, one, either be leaning this out a little bit more to consolidate, but look, we've kind of broken out of this downtrend here. So knowing we've broken out of this downtrend, this could be a good sign to break out even further and start that uptrend now. After bouncing off this level, 3,600 points per coin several times, this may be the turning point. So that is good news if you're looking at the technical side of Shiba Inu, of the Shiba Inu coin trading pattern. Sound is crackling for quite a few videos. Hachiback, quite a few videos or quite a few live streams? Which one are you talking? If it's live streams, okay, I can understand that. But videos, those shouldn't be crackling. The Shiba is awake. Yes, Elizabeth. Shiba is waking up right now. Look at Shiba. Shiba's going on a nice little run, guys. Beautiful. Back up above 4,200 points per coin. I love the action we're seeing right now. This is a very nice run we've got here. It's kind of hard to even keep it on the chart. Look at this. It's going up behind those numbers right there. Nice. Very nice run we've got. Let's see what we got going on here now. You guys see it? Dog Money Whales. Dog Money Whales. I don't see it. He's literally looking at Shiba right now. Abstracticus. Yes, I am. Live stream. I mean, okay, Hatchback. That makes more sense. That makes more sense. That should all be fixed by next weekend, man. I ordered everything I need for a new desktop build. Not yesterday, but Black Friday. And then it should be coming in by December 4th. How much will Shiba reach? You think today? Ashish. Well, knowing we're sitting right around that level of resistance, it's going to be tougher to go higher from here. But if we do break through it, I mean, you're talking 4,500 is achievable if we break through this level of resistance here at 4,200. PulseChain has for 50,000 in the Telegram group already, and PulseChain hasn't even launched yet. Don't miss this one, Clay. I'll be back when we hit the moon. Woo-hoo-hoo, Davis. Dude, don't leave us until you hit the moon, man. How do I get, if it's not even launched, how do I get PulseChain, dude? I want it. I want PulseChain. Where do I get it? You got to tell me, man. Thank you very much, by the way, for all of the super chats today. But you got to tell me how to get it, dude, because I want it. I want it, man. Ungrateful. Y'all went background music for Clay's videos. He spent hours working on this crackling dubstep for you, and y'all just crapping all over his fire mix, man. That's what I get, dude. That's what I get, man. I spent all my time trying to come up with these crackles. And then you guys just crap all over my fire mix. You know what I'm saying? Come on, dog. Stop capping. We don't wear no hats in here. This is a no hat zone, man. Mix is fire. But no count. What? But no Connell? Grinning. Interesting. Don't know. Meta Hero is cooler. Something Kraken is listing. Finally, MW. Yes, that is the word on the street, man. Cardano is moving. We got a lot of crypto moving right now. It looks good. To 100 likes. Oh my gosh. Did 400 people in here and you just got to 100 likes? Is that the case? Pretty weak stuff, guys. George Garcia. Yeah, dude, I don't understand why you guys all got to come at me like that. I work so hard on this, then you tell me it's not even fire, dude. It's not even fire. I'm the fireman. I'm the fireman. Let's go, Space Ape, and let's get it. Spam the chat. What are we doing? Are we doing a wrench giveaway right now? Clay, since I joined late, do you have any thoughts on why AMC isn't rebounding? Thought Omicron wasn't a big deal. JB, yeah, I also don't think it is, but I think they're trying to make it one. So I think that people are a little bit nervous right now, and people, I should say investors. I think that investors might be a little bit nervous. Dude, I'm reading headlines, and I'm not trying to go over these headlines or anything, but I'm reading headlines that are basically setting people up to be willing to do whatever the government wants them to be willing to do. So, Dr. Fauci says that people should prepare to do anything and everything possible in the near term or in the near future. Okay, well, you wanna lock stuff down again, great. So I think that there's some confusion going on out there right now, and that would be my guess as to why it's still pulling back a little bit. Davis, go to the PulseChain group and ask all your questions, or watch Richard Art's past live streams. Trust me on this one, Clay. Davis, man, I'm asking you right now. Oh, come on, Davis. You got to come up with answers, man. You got to come up with answers. I don't even have Telegram on my phone right now to be able to join that group. Check out Meta Hero, bro. I should do that. Why did Shiba jump? Well, look, I don't know if she was necessarily jumping for any reason other than potential Kraken listing or this metaverse news, but people are slightly starting to be a little bit less nervous about crypto and India and so on. It could have to do with the fact that Kraken listed it, because that was about a half hour ago, and we really started to move about a half hour ago. So it could have something to do with that, man. Where's Jennifer Moffat been? Elizabeth, very good question. I'm not exactly sure, but I know Jennifer got very upset when we started talking about Shiba on here, and I haven't seen her in the chat since then. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it or not, but I have not seen her really in over a month. So I think if I had to guess, that's what I would guess, but I'm not exactly sure. If you cover Hex and PulseChain, you will have over 100,000 subs in a month. Best part is you will be talking to adults and not spamming. Davis. I would like to talk to adults, yes, but I would also like to talk to people who are passionate about the cryptocurrencies that they own, and I do believe that the Shiba Army, the Shiba Inu Army out there, is one of the most passionate groups of people about the cryptocurrency, so I have absolutely no problem talking to people who like to spam the word Shiba and so on. But, yeah, Davis, I get a great idea, dude. I get a great idea. I promise you, I will talk about Hex and PulseChain. If you go in your Telegram group and you get all 60,000 people, what did you say, 60 or 50? 50. If you get all 50,000 people to subscribe to the channel, I will even, I can't do it this week since I got Weeble on here, but I will even put like a Hex chart up on the screen and we can discuss it. I have to do that after I get the desktop set up because I don't want to kill the CPU, but I'll even get like a Hex chart on here, man, and we can watch the price of Hex too. But you gotta go to that Telegram group and get all 50,000 of these dudes to come subscribe to the channel, and then we'll make it happen. And we can all buy PulseChain together and make just a sick amount of money on PulseChain. the beginning of 2022. I'm an adult. Yeah, me too, man. Lonely Island. Listen to that song. It's a good one. 25 and 3/4. How dare you? I'm an adult, an ancient adult. Nice, Angus. You guys are cracking me up today. But Elizabeth, I love it. Elizabeth coming in with the pawns. Very nice, Elizabeth. Adults are usually the people who keep telling me to put all my money into bonds. Oh, man. Bonds. Bonds are so fun, aren't they? Bonds. You can make like what? 1.2% annualized on your bonds. And then all you have to do is worry about the US going under. You kind of got to worry about it. So, I don't know about bonds. I don't know if bonds are the way. No way, Jose. Y'all are crazy. Notice Spider. Yes, we are crazy. Adults scrutinize baseless claims. Daniel, adults don't even know how to have fun. I bought Shiba coffee. They burn when you buy. Elizabeth, very nice. Does it taste good? Did you try it yet? Hey, do you think Polestar is the next Lucid? Dude, I don't even know what Polestar is, man. I don't even know what Polestar is. Dude, Polestar sounds kind of, you know what I'm saying? Caesar said your bear looks very sexual today. Dude, did you mean hair that rhymes with bear, or did you mean beard? Now I don't even know which one it is. Which one is it, Mr. Simon? Which one is it? Because Caesar said hair the other day. And now I don't even know which one it would be. I'm scrolling back up to see if I can find it. And Devil's Advocate. Hello, police? Yeah, I'd like to report some arson because this mix is absolute fire. Now that's what I'm talking about. This mix is fire, guys. This mix is fire. What about Casper Network? Don't know. Where do you buy the Shiba coffee? It's got to be online, man. It's got to be online. Polestar's the next electric vehicle. Gotcha, Lex. Polestar sounded a little dangerous to me, but Polestar's Volvo, bro. Abstracting gets very good, man. See, I did not know this. You guys know too much. No, he meant your stuffed bear. How you know I'm a stuffed bear, man? How you know I'm a stuffed bear? You guys, oh, look at this one. It's like a little UFO clay. It's a UFO, bro. Nice. Let's see. Meta Hero is going to do full body scans for the metaverse. It's going to feel so real. Dude, where do you get a full body scan done? Good morrow to the brosif, to the brosif. Kelby, good morrow to you as well, my friend. Yes, still best friends. Polestar is Volvo's electric cars. Angus. I don't know how you guys keep up on all this stuff. Shiba needs to pump. I want to pay my fees. Love from India, dude. Fuhad Sanin. Yes, man. Shiba does need to pump, but Shiba Inu is going on a nice little bounce right now. Polestar sounds like what you scream at a strip club instead of screaming World Star when people fight. I've never screamed World Star when people do fight, but I have seen videos before where people scream World Star. So yes, that would make a lot of sense, actually. That would be extremely obvious that you would scream that. Fisker, undervalued electric vehicles. Cindy, could be. Bitcoin is bullish right now. Bro, I bought the dip and I'm a millionaire now. Ashish. Nice, man. I love it. Anybody else buy the dip and now you are a millionaire? I hope so. Check BTC. Bitcoin. Gotta be running. Keep those Bitcoins running. Yeah, Bitcoin's up 2% on the day right now on a 4-hour chart. Got a nice little... Wow, it's got some nice action going on a 4-hour chart. Up 10% over the last day, guys. It was down to 53,000, bounced up to 58,000. $5,000 gain in Bitcoin over the last 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, I don't know, roughly 28 hours. Roughly 28 hours, got a nice 10% gain in Bitcoin right there. And you get Shiba Inu coin bouncing back very nicely as well. Let's see what Cardano looks like. Very similar graph with a nice run back there and going on a nice little run right now. Okay, so all crypto looking semi-similar. Where did Shiba go? Shiba Inu coin getting not a huge bounce back there, but going on a nice little run right now. So crypto in general bouncing back a little bit over the last 4 hours. That is some good news. Let's see. Shiba is on Kraken. Shiba is on Kraken. Yes. Kraken just officially listed Shiba. Yes, Dorian. It listed Shiba roughly, I don't know, roughly 45 minutes ago, maybe an hour ago. And it is available for deposit. Will be available for trade tomorrow. Ethereum is also pumping. Yes, Cindy, I would imagine the cryptos across the board are pumping right now. How about AMP? I don't know if AMP's running right now or not. I've got money staked in Ethereum too. Very nice, Emily. Hopefully that works out for you. Mana's pumping. I would imagine. I think Mana's going to do well. I think Mana's going to do well long term, but it's probably pumping right now along with everything else that's pumping. The AMP is down. The AMP is down. Check AMP. AMP is down right now. I don't think AMP's on Webull. I don't think I can check AMP. Yeah, I know you guys are probably talking about the coin and not Ameriprise. So, unfortunately, I cannot check AMP. Pull the MetaHero site up. They're going to build these domes with like 1,000 cameras, then scan your body into the meta world. That sounds dangerous, Bob. That sounds very dangerous, man. How many people trade on Kraken, Clay? 4 to 4.5 million people trade on Kraken, Bronson. I don't know if it increased at all. I don't know if the amount of accounts increased at all due to Shiba Inu Coin being listed on there. But I looked it up the last time that I was talking about Kraken, and they were talking about listing Shiba Inu Coin, which was what, about a month ago maybe. And it was around 4 million people. So that's why I say 4 to 4.5. Because I highly doubt they increased much more than a 5% user rate. But last time it was 4. So AMP is on Coinbase. Very good by Kraken Shitoshi. What's my source for this info? Let's just say I know a guy, and it isn't me. It's me. Hey, I know a guy too. It's me. Don't worry. Any thoughts on MetaHero? Nope, no thoughts on MetaHero yet. I think the Metaverse is going to be doing very well, though. So any coins associated with it could have potential. You can check on AMP. You need to put AMP crypto, and it'll pop up, just not AMP. Donna, I don't think that I can do that on Webull, though, can I? Yeah, see, you can't. I can't check AMP crypto here. Can't check it because it's not listed on Webull. How often should someone buy the dip if the price keeps going up in the long run? EOK, whatever you're comfortable with is what you should look into doing. Oh, wow, probably getting a nice little bounce there right now. Whatever you're comfortable with. I don't think that there's like a minimum or just like a repeating time frame that works best for anybody. If you want to invest part of your paycheck, a couple % of your paycheck into the stock market in general, into an asset in general, and just keep doing that over time, you know, that's a strategy you can use. You can have some money set aside that you constantly put 10% into a dip, and if you're constantly putting 10% into the dip, you know, you're going to be buying less and less every time you buy, but you'll never run out of buying power because it's simply percentages. So there's all kinds of strategies that you can employ, but I don't think that one is necessarily better than the other or one works for everybody. I heard about that. Is Adam doing an interview today? I did not hear if he was. What's up, apes? Honestly, have only thought about work today. The busy day, Chris. I'm telling you, after the holidays, man, it seems like everybody's just kind of getting back into the groove of things. Prague, what? Wipes tears. Yes, Prague is bouncing right now, man. It's coming back to us. Prague, come back. Hey, Elizabeth, I have been here just working. Diddy214 is in here. Frodo, do more research into crypto gaming this weekend. Thinking about getting into Splinterlands. Trading card game like Magic and coming out with an expansion very soon. Interesting, Frodo. Splinterlands, what do you get, like Splinter Coin, or what's the deal with Splinterlands? How do you take advantage of that? Because I think crypto gaming could be big, man, but, you know, not all of the coins that are involved with crypto gaming are going to make it. There will be a select few, but if you look and you found something that might be cool, well, let us know, man. We can make our decisions to get in or not. Can't buy it on Webull, but it does show up. Donna Z. It does not show up for me. I'm seeing AMP Capital Conservative, AMP Capital Equity, AMP Capital. Like, I don't see any AMP Crypto anywhere. Hold on. Maybe if I type AMP USD. Is this AMP? Guys, is this AMP? 6.5 cents today? Let me know if this is the one. AMP USD. Yeah, is this the one? Is this the AMP you guys are talking about? Opinions are like holes. Everyone has one. Yes! That is correct, Mo. And if you do not, I mean, I don't even know if everybody has one, dude. Some people might just have catheters. AMP is on Voyager 2. Own some AMP. 6.5 cents right now. Mark, very good. Sounds like AMP. Alright, so this is definitely AMP then. Splinterlands has been out for a few years now and seems to have a good player base. It is a pay-to-play game with 2 tradable tokens on Hive Engine. All cards are tradable and rentable NFTs. Ah, dude, that does sound like a pretty cool game, man. I don't know if I would do it, but it is. Alright, sweet. We do have AMP right here. Why was I looking up AMP in the first place? Clay, read my last one about Spider-Man, please. JB thought, honestly, never checked the game. Let's do part again. If you're one of the 86,000 Connect members that bought Spider-Man movie tickets that went on sale midnight, you will receive an emailed link to the NFT codes and redemption on December 22nd. Nice! They make everybody look like right before Christmas Eve. Nice job, man. Chris, I don't even see, man. Also, Clay, a NFT is essentially like a digital playing card. Theoretically, could I NFT copy the rights to Spider-Man characters and just stream Spider-Man movies? Maybe? You're saying that you would... I don't know if you can claim ownership. I feel like you would get sued if you tried to stream Spider-Man movies. But just saying you own the NFT of the Spider-Man movie, like, I don't know if that, if it would work like that, but I don't know. I feel like you can't lay rights to something that you don't own in the first place. Why are your mods muting me? Did you see my Twitter? I chatted so you can collect that 10,000 hex. David, no, I did not see your Twitter, man. I have no idea. What did they... You're clearly not still muted, right? I have no idea why you got muted. No, man. What's your Twitter? I'll follow... Like, go follow me on Twitter. Or go tag me in something on Twitter right now, and I'll follow you back, man. Look, my tablet's right here on the table. Actually, look, we got 400 people in here right now, and I have my tablet in my hand. If you guys go follow me on Twitter right now, I'll follow you back. So, David, just do that, and then I'll follow all you guys back, and then you can DM me since I'm following you back, David. Baby, come back! Stop with the pop-ups. Okay. Let's see. Sticky! Sticky just followed me. I'll follow you too, Sticky. I gotcha, man. Let's see here. Go back out to customized. Alright. Let's see. Kraken just sent me an email. Tomorrow Shiba will go live. What are your thoughts on how the news will affect the price? Can you please do a step-by-step video on how to buy Saitama? Yes. Actually, no. I cannot do a step-by-step video on how to buy Saitama because I don't know how to buy Saitama. But I've never bought Saitama. But personally, I don't know how it's going to affect the price. If crypto in general seems to be a little bit steadier and people are less worried about a crypto winter, people are less worried about India, people are less worried about infrastructure and all the crap that's been going on with crypto, then I do think the price of Shiba Inu coin can rise based on the Kraken news. Otherwise, I don't know if it's going to be enough, because I'm going to be honest. I think the metaverse and the stuff we saw over the weekend on Black Friday, I think all of that information was cooler and better than Kraken's listing. And I would have expected that to drive the price higher than Kraken would have driven it higher. So you got all that. Let's see here. Day one sacrificer. Do you follow me? Did you just follow me? Okay, well, Jared followed me. So guess what? I'm going to follow Jared. And then we got people here. So, okay, yeah. Davis, I got you, man. I just followed you back. Day one sacrificer. Something not ridiculous. Got you. Sean, got you. George, got you. Victoria, got you. Ryan, Blue Sky, got you. Jared, Dragos, and Alex Hernandez. I got you guys. I followed you back. Baby, follow you back. Got you guys. Thoughts on how the new Shiba game is going to impact Moji. So I think that once everything is developed with it, I think that a lot of people are going to be, I don't know if everybody's going to be playing it, but I do think that it's going to kind of create that atmosphere where it I don't know if helps the following is like the correct terminology to use, but it just builds up that base and makes it an even stronger community. So I don't know if I'm going to necessarily go out there and be playing games all day long. I don't have time to play games all day long, but some people are really into that. And I do think that it's going to just build up that user base, and then they will be burning coins because of it, which is going to be an excellent idea. So I really like it. Grab my last NFT question, please. Yeah, Chris, was it something else other than the one about streaming Spider-Man? Oh, that didn't work the way I thought, but like if someone can make an NFT of the Mona Lisa or the Constitution, why can't you do that with a movie character rights? Well, you probably can, man. I mean, you probably can, but I don't think you can do it with the actual rights. So I don't even know if anybody technically owns the Mona Lisa or if anybody owns the Constitution or anything like that. And the fact that when I say own it, I mean own the visual rights to it. Clearly, the actual Mona Lisa is owned, but when somebody creates a movie, there's different laws that protect it. So I think that would be the difference there. Do you think the Kraken listing will force Robinhood to list Shiba? Kenny, I hope so, but I don't know if it will, man. I'm not relying terribly on Robinhood to do anything. I would like to see Robinhood list Shiba because I think that they've got a very large user base, and with the 14 plus million people that trade crypto on Robinhood, I think that could be very beneficial for the price of Shiba Inu coin. Alright, slow mode. Alright, it's good. Baby, come back. Did you guys follow me again? Anybody else? Yes, more people followed. Alright. Art Devon's following you. Philip following you. Kathy following you. And Jose following you, man. Thank you guys very much for following me on Twitter. I got you followed there. And then Davis, if you want to email me or message me on Twitter, man, go message me on Twitter. Fiskers are dope. I think that was a long time ago. Davis, seriously, that deal with the 10,000 hex is true. I will pay it if you find any scam. All you will find is the best founder. He raised $27 million for medical. I'll pay anyone who finds a scam. Richard Hart has done, perhaps, or pretending to Hex and PulseChain. 10,000 hex for anyone who finds the scam. Dude, it's like a freaking Where's Waldo, man. It's like you're saying it like it does exist, but you don't want it to exist. I don't know what's going on, because I want it to exist because I want 10,000 hex, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to find one. You seem very confident. Super keen on this one. Yes, he is. Pringleton, yes, he is. He knows that Hex and PulseChain have a future, and therefore he's willing to bet 10,000 hex on it. Maybe when Robinhood finishes the wallet, Possibly, George. That would be a good timing for them if they did, because people will be able to deposit their Shiba on the Robinhood platform. That's actually a pretty good thought, man. And I don't know when they will have wallets for everybody on there. Elizabeth, don't worry. And you and I won't ever have slow... Some people like slow mode, man. PTN and PTPI are doing well today. Very good. Alex Hernandez, let's go. Holding long term. How much Shiba do you own? Alex, good question. Sorry you asked it in a super chat, but thank you very much for the super chat. So I don't talk about how, like, the actual quantity of how much I own, but my average is down to about 52 or 5,300 right now. So if you're looking for averages, I am losing money on Shiba at the moment. My average is about 5,200 or 5,300, and Shiba Inu is sitting around 4,200 right now. So down on it, but I don't talk like actual quantity of what's in it. Could make me a mod so I can silence. Why would you silence? Yeah, but why would Davis need silence, man? He's sending like all super chats. Dude can technically say whatever he wants in a super chat, man. He can tell me how much he hates me if he's sending a super chat. Hammer to the guys. Let's get it. It's Clay Fake Bro. DM'd me last week. Got blocked right away. Leah. Very good. Claybro 882 is fake Claybro. Claybro 883 is the real Claybro. Jared Wilson. Thank you very much, Jared. Really appreciate the super chat. Jared, if you got a super, or if you've got a message in the super chat, man, please let me know. I need to know. But otherwise, thank you very much. Really appreciate that and the fact that you're in here. Have you heard more about the India crypto regulation and the new Reserve Bank of India coin? By the way, big fan. God bless. No, so Arjun, today, devil's advocate, I believe we were supposed to hear something about it today, and I have not heard anything about it yet. I have not heard anything about the regulation of the law getting looked at or passed or anything like that. So I will try to look into that after the thing. But devil's advocate, I hate you. And see, there's nothing wrong with that, man. You guys are allowed to say anything you want in a super chat. It is all good. Devil's advocate, man. Thank you very much. Still love you, dude. Even though you hate me, man, I still love you. It's like when when you're a kid and you're growing up and you're like, Mom, I hate you. And she's like, I'll always love you, honey, no matter what you do and no matter how much you hate me. I love you, Devil's Advocate. I do. Dwight Shoot, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Buy more Shiba with this. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to have to buy more Shiba with that then. Dwight, thank you very much. That will, yeah, looks like it might bring my average down a little bit. I don't know. Hopefully it does. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Going to be adding to the Shiba position right there. And I'm going to have to buy more Shiba. Thank you very much, Dwight. Really appreciate that, guys. Nice, Dwight. That is nice, dude. That is nice. I appreciate Dwight, man. Devil's Advocate tells me he hates me, and then Dwight's like, hey, man, go buy some more Shiba with it. Is 883 your AI model number? Just 882 wasn't real? Yes, that's exactly right, man. They didn't perfect it until the 883. The 882... fake news, man. 883, that's where you got it. That's where it's at. Is this you? No. Sarah Destek Croy. So 883 is me. 882, yes, retweets everything that I say. And 882 has more followers, but 882 is fake. So, or I mean, the guy's probably not fake. He clearly retweets everything. Like, he even retweets the stuff about me tweeting that he's fake. So, I don't know if he reads anything that I tweet, but 882 is fake. Mr. Simon, if you want to silence me, feel free to borrow that gag. Elizabeth, you guys are crazy. Shiba to the moon. Dwight, let's get it, dude. Yes, Clay, we need to talk. Hit me on Messenger. Prevent people from being scammed. Marty, Messenger? Like Facebook Messenger? I can't hit you on Facebook Messenger, dude. Hit me on Twitter Messenger. Do that. And then Brett. XOX following you, and Daryl, man, following you as well. Thank you guys for following me on Twitter. I'll get your follow back right now. Lewis, oh my gosh. Devil's Advocate, take that. Lewis says, I love you. Thank you, Lewis. Now, I was a little bit upset before with the hate, but now I feel better with the love. Lewis, man, thank you very much for all the love. Hey, Glaybro, I think I finally got the stream schedule figured out. Good deal, Frank. I like it, man. Hopefully it works out for you. 82 retweeted you, and I got more notifications, even though I am not following the... Gassy, perfect. Thank you, 882, for retweeting me and getting more notifications out to Cassie on all the tweets that I post. Dude, did 882 retweet that we're live? No. 2 retweets on the live. George and Frank retweeted that one. Thank you, George and Frank, for retweeting that I'm live, man. Brett Ski, thanks, man. Absolutely, Brett. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Click. Okay, one last to read. After Nini Waka. Oh, golly bum, man. Where's after Nini Waka? I don't know where Chris went. Oh, there. Thanks, Clay. Was just wondering. I get it's kind of like a digital collection album. Just to me, it's just pictures, and I don't know how I can make money on them if it's like a trading cards. Yeah, Chris. So it's a little weird, man. It's a little weird that you really have to market it the right way. So right now, it's kind of NFTs are kind of like self-marketing, and the fact that people are making money on NFTs, so it almost doesn't matter what it is. People think that they can make money on these NFTs, so they will buy them. So just that, like that thought process alone markets the NFTs that are out there, but I don't think that that's where NFTs are going to stop. I do think that digital playing cards, digital trading cards, things like that have an absolute future with NFTs, but just like the craze of owning one right now is what's really driving the price higher, or what's really driving the demand for NFTs, I should say. Let's see. I'm new to the Twitter. Super Mario. Me too, man. Me too. New to the Twitter. I don't know what's going on out there, so go follow me on Twitter, guys. Shiba is Kraken. Shiba is on Kraken now? Yes. It sounded like 882 is pretty handy assistant. Actually, gets too much hassle, just a bot trying to live his best bot life. Pringleton, I know, man. I know. He's just out there trying to do what's right for him. He don't know, but it's not me, though. Perma Wrench, pretty please. With sugar and a cherry on top. Brad, stop being so cute. Come on. You're making me really want to Perma Wrench you in front of everybody. Simon, I was being a good potential step bro. All right. Yes, he was. Devil's Advocate, a.k.a. Sam. How do we know all of these people? Chucky, Koski, yes, something. Devil's Advocate says, yeah. Chick, you gonna pay big old gas fees. Yeah, gas fees are very high right now, but is there somebody named Chick in here? Or Chuck? Gotcha. Should I sell half my Doge for 2 Ether? That was it. It wasn't supposed to be Chick. It was supposed to be Chuck. Gotcha. I have a question. Okay, I got an answer. Is the Binance Auto Invest any interesting? The 3-year option. The Auto Invest, like, are you talking where they take your deposits on a regular basis and invest in it? And what do you mean, is it interesting? But yeah, it's interesting, dude. It would be like you setting up a 401k at work, and they just take money out of your paycheck on a recurring basis. It would be like that. Just take Marine Corps brats. Cherries? And Blue Wrencher already. She's got cherries available? Oh, she does want to put cherries on top, yes. Clibro, how can you resist a cherry on top? Moonstronaut. It's very difficult, man. It's very difficult. I don't know how I'm actually doing it right now. What is gas fees? Basically, like, gas fee is basically your transaction fee, man. It's basically your transaction fee. So transacting in Ethereum, the transaction fee that you pay is considered a gas fee. Agreed. I still don't get them because my thought was, so I can make a shirt with Harry Potter mixed with Game of Thrones and be rich if it sells. Someone said, yeah, so I had to bring it here. Yeah, man, so you could, right? You could do that if it sells. So that's the part. If somebody comes across it and you're asking $100,000 for it, I highly doubt you get it because, not everybody's got $100,000 to drop on some NFTs. But there will be people just scrolling through NFTs and trying to get these NFTs. Because I'll tell you right now, dude, the craze around those Spider-Man NFTs that AMC just released, inherently there's nothing special about those NFTs. It's like you just go to the movie theater and you literally get a little picture of Spider-Man, right? You have that physical picture there, but right now you have a digital picture of Spider-Man. Inherently no value in that, but the fact that people will lose them, the fact that people will, whatever, forget about them, and so on, will make them a little bit more exclusive than the 86,000 that were released. So knowing that they were the first ones that AMC ever did, knowing that they're the first Spider-Man NFTs that exist, that is going to have some value to it at some point. But whether it's like $5 value, $10 value, $100 value, that's going to remain seen over the future. I don't think anybody's going to go out there right now and sell their Spider-Man NFT because I think there's 100 different designs and there's 86,000 total of them. So I don't think anybody's going to go out there and be able to sell their NFTs for a ridiculous amount of money right now. That's right. Now Kraken is cracking for real. Shiba Inu, let's get it. Sprinkleton got one of them wrenches that need a little pep talk from time to time. Hey, that's okay, buddy. You can still get the job done. Just got to warm up a bit. Nothing wrong with that. Hey, man, a little pep talk never hurt nobody. NFTs like Krispy Kreme donuts. Hot at first, but cold on the last one. Moonstronaut. Yes. But I do think that overall, not like the craze will die down and so on, and maybe the craze is already dying down a little bit, but I do think that NFTs will play a part in the digital world. You know what I mean? Like, even if I have to NFT myself to let you guys know that I am the real Clay Bro, and it's not an 882, okay? That could come into it as well. So NFTs will serve a purpose other than just being exciting and being NFTs. There will be a purpose for validation purposes that NFTs use. Hey, can you read my last question before I go? Bronson, maybe if I can find it, man. It might not be easy to find. Now, what's the new resistance and support for Shiba now, and what should I look for after the resistance? Oh, good question. We can talk about that for a couple seconds here, Bronson. Absolutely. Spider-Man NFTs are going to be big. I hope I get one. I was up till almost midnight last night signing up for the movie tickets. Yeah, Frodo. I think that, and I don't know if they're going to be big right away. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if they're going to be big right away or if you're going to have a lot of people interested in them and trying to buy them right off the bat. But I do think that, being among the first, they are going to be big. 882 versus 883. Fight to the death for your YouTube channel. Peyton, let's make it happen, man. Call up 882 right now. Dude, wouldn't it be hilarious if 882 was just this big monster? And I was like, never mind. Call it off. Call it off. But yes, call him up. I'll tell her to call him off later. But call him up right now. Let's see what Shiba's looking at. Resistance and support wise. So if we come out here, try to find a little Shiba Inu coin, we can see that 4,200 is a level of resistance, okay? We touched it back here, touched it again today, kind of tried to touch it in this area right here. So this 42, upper 41s, lower 42s is our level of resistance. Now, if we break that, we got maybe a little level in here at 43. I'm not too worried about that. If we break that level, you're talking 4,500 again, potentially 48. So the wicks came down here to the 4,500 level, but the stronger level of resistance is at 48. So 42, possibly 45, but I'd keep my eye on 48 right here. If we turn around again, we're still looking at 3,500 points per coin. Now, if 3,500 breaks, the next major level is 2,700. But this 3,600 level that you hit, boom, 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 does not want to be broken. So that is very good. But if we break 42, we're looking at 45, possibly 48. If we turn around again, we got our sights on 3,600 to 3,500 points per coin. Davis, I shot you a DM Clay on Twitter. Let's get that work. Let's get that never work again money. Davis, let's get it. I do see that I have one more DM, man. So, direct message. So thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. I'm going to check that out after the stream here. Dude, I want that never work again money. I mean, technically, it doesn't feel like I'm working hanging out with you guys, but I still do that. Like, I'm not going to just disappear with the never work again money. No, I'm not doing that. But Davis, let's get it, man. Let's get that never work again money on Hex and PulseChain. Do it, or dude, and dude, for real, go into that Telegram and tell them they can subscribe to the channel. I'm cool with talking about PulseChain and Hex, man. Clay, you missed one. Like I give it sports cards or comics or collections, but I have a physical movie collection. I can't do anything with digital pictures of the covers. Chris, man, I don't know. See, the thing about that is, I don't know if you could. So you've got a digital movie collection. Or you've got a movie collection. Just trying to take a picture of the cover and turn it into an NFT may not be feasible. You can still do it and see what happens with it. But let's say you actually had a like first edition movie collection, and you had movies that were first edition, unopened, whatever, and you made NFTs out of those, but the NFT was simply an authenticator that person owned the underlying asset as well. So that would be a different story if you use the NFT as like a certificate of authenticity and it was attached to that underlying film. That would be a difference. But as far as like just taking a picture, like if I took a picture of me right now, I could make it an NFT and the guy that bought that picture would own that picture. But I don't know how that would work. I don't know how, especially with like rights to the film or rights to the picture. So if I were to go out that and put that picture on Getty Images or Shutterfly or any of these other, Shutterstock or any of these other places where you can like license out your picture, I would not own that picture anymore. The guy that bought the NFT of me would own that picture. So they could essentially go out there and license that picture out on Shutterfly and stuff like that. So that could be a decent alternative of how to verify ownership of a photo and stuff. But I don't know if you can make any money just going and taking a picture of things in your house. I want a real Marine Corps brat, not the darn NFT one. Yes, Moonstronaut. We all want the real Marine Corps brat. Donnell, see you later. Donnell, bye everyone. Have a great afternoon. Yes, Donnell, we got a couple minutes left in the live stream, and then we will be taking off for the afternoon. I joined the new egg to see if I can make a purchase and couldn't figure out how to pay. Yeah, I didn't see an option. I'm sure other retailers are watching. Do I need a Coinbase card? Moji, so I don't know how it's going to work with Newegg, but I don't think you would need a Coinbase card to pay with your Shiba. I think that they would be directly accepting your Shiba, like wallet to wallet transfer, or you may need like a BitPay or whatever platform they're using. You may need that platform and have your Shiba deposited in that platform, and then they use that as a payment processor. So that could be what they're doing. Serious question. Can I just simply screenshot your NFT and move on with my life and pay nothing for it? Yes, devil's advocate. You can absolutely do that. So you can screenshot any NFT you want, just like you can screenshot this picture, the video right now. You can screenshot me on here and do whatever you want with it. You just wouldn't own the exclusive rights to it. So that's what an NFT provides, is like that ownership verification. So let's say I did take a picture of me, okay, and for some reason people wanted it, and you went out and you licensed it. You're the NFT owner and you licensed it on like Shutterstock and so on. You could be making money. Well, dude, anybody can go out there and screenshot that and then use it essentially for non-commercial purposes. But then you still have to go out there and open up a rights claim against them if they're using it to make money in some way or for commercial purposes. And then it's not that simple. So yes, you can go out there and screenshot any NFT you want. See you on the next one, Clay. Cindy, thank you very much. This says, why not being able to speak sucks? Totally not where I was going with that. It's fine though. Chris, dang it, man. My bad, dude. My bad. That does make it hard, dude, but I'm doing my best. Trying to understand what you're saying. That's great about Newegg. Yes, it is. Chimney joke isn't funny. Don't know what the chimney joke would have been, but okay. Can we make an NFT of an NFT of an NFT? Now, DD214, that is some Inception stuff right there. We do need to make an NFT of an NFT of an NFT. Kraken is crack-a-lackin'. I'm going to say this for a while. Sorry, Elizabeth, it is okay. Say it as long as you want. Maybe I'm simple-minded, but why do I care about the rights? I want the photo, right? Isn't that like me needing to pay for the FOOB videos? There's so much free FOOB content I can enjoy. I don't understand. Yeah, dude. Yeah. So I mean, it's similar analogy there, but I don't know why, other than collectible purposes or like licensing purposes, you would want or need to own the rights to something. Those are the two options that I like think of first when trying to think like of certificates of authenticity or ownership verification. If you're going to be looking at a collectible, one of a kind, you're the only person in the world that has that and it's the original, that's worth something. And then, if you do need to prove that you are the owner or that it is legit, an NFT could do that. But guys, it is 1 o'clock. We will be taking a break for right now. We will be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Make sure to join us then. I want to say thank you to everybody who hung out with us in here. And get your name in the chat right now so we can get a shout out going. And then I don't have the mustache required to be the Flub Cliff. Well, then you're good to go, man. You can go ahead and collect Bored Apes NFTs or Mutant Apes NFTs. Kraken listed Shiba, you can deposit now. Groove Gallery, yes you can. Stream going live in 5. Guys, go check out Frank if you want to watch an options live stream there. I'm thinking of being a collector. The NFTs aren't anything. I don't get if you want a digital picture, then post it to Instagram. Yes, you could post it to Instagram, man. That would be essentially what they're doing. See you later. Elizabeth, Cassie, DD214, Julie Miller, bye-bye. I like when Julie Miller says bye-bye. Mr. Simon, see you. Clay Dino, see you. Mr. Simon, Dino, Kyle, Moonstronaut, Gaming with Doge, X-Ray, Leah, Doge Gaming, Kelly, Rock, every single one of you in here. I hope that you guys had a great Thanksgiving and you have a wonderful afternoon. We will be back after lunch. And now, y'all, thank you for the super chat. Now, y'all, I gotta pay Clay just to tell him and all my fellow apes, I miss and love you all. Now, y'all. So glad you're in here, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. And dude, you don't have to pay anybody to tell them you love them. We love you too. Now, y'all. Nick Response, peace out to you. Marilyn, Lewis, Pugnacious, Leah, Marilyn, Chris, Messi, Frodo, Regular Potato, Marilyn, Leah, Pringleton, Elizabeth, Kevin. There's the stream again. Lewis, Casty. Yes, guys. All right. Now, you know what time it is by Marine Corps Brett. Still in here. See you later, Marine Corps Brett. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.